Once there was a very strong elephant. Elephant, obviously strong, very strong elephant is there. People started using it for all work because it's already strong. For all work, people started using for all work. Carry wood. For wood carrying purpose, elephant, same elephant. Next, for carrying water, same elephant. For carrying stones, same elephant. For carrying everything, same elephant. Because it was very strong. It was very strong. The elephant never said no. The elephant never said no. Because it's always going to thought that I'm strong, I should do everything. Observe this word. Can you please repeat that word? Can you please repeat that word?
I'm strong.
I'm strong. I can do everything. This is the feeling of that elephant. Okay, I'm strong. I can do everything. That's why elephant never said no for anything, man. To carry the water, to carry the stones, to carry the wood, to carry everything. The same elephant. So the people used elephant also never told no because its feeling is always, hey, I'm strong. I can do everything, man. Like, remember this. Most of the people are also going to feel the same way. Yes, I'm the too good person. I can do all my activities on my own. I'm the too good person. I'm the all-rounder. I can do any activity. Most of the times, you people also going to feel like that. Okay? Elephant also felt. I'm strong. I should do everything. Slowly, what happened? After a couple of years, what happened is it became tired. It became tired. Okay? It lost its energy. It lost its energy. Even it is not in a position to work properly. Papa, a pity situation. That much strong elephant, not in a position to walk properly. One day, it collapsed completely. Now, even small work became difficult. It's collapsed. It collapsed completely. Even small work became very difficult. Very difficult. Okay? Then the owner realized. This is what realization. Then the owner realized that I gave too much load to one elephant. I gave too much load to one elephant instead of using many helpers. Instead of using many helpers, I gave too much load to one elephant, but now that elephant not in a position to walk, all my work, all the things not in a position to continue my work like the owner got realization. How many people feels that you are like elephant in our story, doing everything yourself? Can you please imagine? That is the thing you people should aware. Don't do everything alone. Don't do everything yourself. If you start doing everything alone or yourself, one fine day, you will get tired, you will get panic attacks, you will get heart attack. Okay, like what will happen here? Stuart also felt that he's like an elephant, but at last, is a situation. Are you in the position to understand? Yes, friends. So, what is the conclusion from this story? Respond. Have you got any conclusion from this story? Yes, Mandana. A bit loudly.
We don't want to do every work for ourselves. Some priority work we need to do, rest of the work we need to allocate to some other lower
Exactly.
people are. That is
Don't
the
do. Don't
we
do
save our
everything
energy and
yourself.
time. Yes.
Don't do everything yourself.
Yes.
Okay? Delegate the activities, low level, at least low level activities
Yes.
to the people, to the team, or to the family members, to your siblings. Like any person you can delegate to save your energy, to save your energy, to save your time. Both the things are very, very important. Otherwise, you will be collapsed at certain stage. You are not in a position, okay, to do any kind of thing, friends. That's why delegation, most of the people are always going to feel that delegation is a laziness. It is not a laziness, it is a leverage. Remember this one. It is a leverage. With the small effort, getting bigger results. Shortcut way, shortcut mantra is the delegation.